What's the meaning of cross-reference? Cross-reference. Cross-reference.
Cross-reference. Cross-reference. Cross-reference refers to the act of making a connection between two or more items, typically in a written work. In literature, it involves linking words or phrases to other parts of a text that have related themes or concepts. In technical writing, cross-references are used to direct readers to other parts of a document with additional information on a particular topic. The result is a more coherent and organized piece of writing, where readers can easily navigate and understand the connections between various ideas presented in the work.